G'day, I'm Murray. This is my backyard. I've filmed this way with me getting the camera set up because it will give me time to talk, and Pauly, the Australian magpie, is in the shot for some of it. So we've got a video that total length is 11 minutes 20 seconds, and I've cut 1:30 out of that when the lorikeets leave. I did, however, leave the camera running that whole time because I could see birds in the tree above the bird bath waiting to come down, and then they start to come down. So the first bird that has a drink is Pauly, the black-backed Australian magpie. Then Pauly's life partner pops up, gets one sip, and the lorikeets start coming down. Now, magpies don't mess with lorikeets. The lorikeets are vicious little sods. Then we have a massive amount of lorikeets. After the lorikeets leave, as I said, there's a 1:30 I've cut out, but then we start to get the other birds. A white-throated honeyeater comes down, a little friarbird comes down, and he gets scared off when Junior, a juvenile Australian magpie and the child of Pauly and his life partner, turns up. But there's something really funny here because he gets startled by something at one stage and sort of leaps up and across and lands smack dab in the middle of the bird bath. Thinks about it for a bit and then just keeps drinking. But yeah, it's really good. So while Junior is drinking, the little friarbird, you can hear it calling up in the tree. And then Junior decides the perfect perch is on top of the camera, which he's done before, and I'm going to have to do something about. And while he's up there, there's a double-barred finch that comes whizzing past. I think that's on the left, from left to right. And also the back right, you can see a woolly wagtail mucking around with a metal rabbit trap up the back. And finally, the little firebird gets the drink it's been waiting for, and the clip ends. So I hope you enjoy it, and have a good one.